Hello, over there. Hello, over there. Constantine, Constantine. Ah, who that I call me? Oh, Mas Clifford. Oh, I come in there to you, Mas Clifford. I come in there. Hold on there. It's a long time I haven't seen you. Hold on there, Clifford. Hold on there. Yes, Clifford. Yes. So, where you go now, Clifford? Hold on there. Catch your tick this so there. I make me give you one seat to sit down. Because I know say arthritis will kill you and all these things. So sit down there now. Make we chat. So our breeze blow you at my yard you now. Clifford. Well, Constantine. Ah boy, I must be about 2 months now me no see you. But I come to tell you, say you see me son. Remember, sir, 4 sons me have. The big one, Sylvester. Always I tell me say he want come back from foreign because he tired for living at the ice box. And he would have like to come back home, come do little farming. Because remember say me have one 2-acre land up a Paradise Gully. He said he might go start farming and buy one of that 5-acre to do farming. But me can tell you something. I don't know about the farming business. Because I years now me come out of the farming business. Because as you know already, say me love me farming. But when me take sick, I end up a hospital, and from me come out of hospital, me no do no more farming. Because doctor tell me say me fi take it easy. And the arthritis, may I tell you say sometime all in a me back here, the arthritis there. Yes. So me no do no more farming, but me love it farming. So when me hear Sylvester say he might come home, come to do the farming, me I tell you say me feel good. I feel good. Fi know say if I even one of the bikini them I go carry on when me left off. So me can tell you he finally come 2 weeks ago. So I hit me say make me come up here and tell you. Yes. So him a go, indeed send down in things them already and him buy one bulldozer. Yes, him buy one bulldozer and one truck. Yes. Because I want thing with for me picking them, then they are foreigner Skylar. Me I tell you say they go over there and do things. And he make up the money and save up the money and he come because he said, Papa, I love the farming from you used to do it. Not because you see me there foreign for 20 years, Papa, my mind rest on the farming. Papa, my mind rest on the farming, and that's where he might tell me. So, me say, all right then, my son, since I saw you want it, come home and take it 2-acre land when me have up a Paradise Gully there. Yes, and do the farming. Yes, me take up a tick here because I'll do you see me sit down, Me I tell you, say, the pain them. And no laugh. Because I'll do you see me can hardly move. Me I go down there with him. If me even fi sit down and look to how me love it farming. If me even fi sit down and look, because I don't know to how me feel good. Fi know say him come back home. Me I tell you, say I feel good, I feel good. Franny come back home, me I tell you, say me gain a little strength in my left foot. I could have hardly move. Yes, yes. Yeah, man. Yes. Yes, me say when you have a picnic them, and if I even one of them take up from your footstep, you feel good in your heart. Yes, man. Yes, God bless the child that has his own. I'm a proud I picnic them, you see. There are three boy them. Yes. Patrick and Desmond. Yes. Remember, say the last one did name Billy. Billy. A four picnic Billy got young Billy. But Billy they are foreign a drive truck. Yes, yes. But as you know, let me take time tell you, as Sylvester did me eyeball. Because him used to come and grow with me when me a go a bush. So from that time, them a me eyeball. And me say me glad he come back and take up when me a left off. My God, me I tell you. So I hit me come up here to tell you. Because a long time me no see you. So you're alright and thing though. Alright. Well, hold on there. Make me get little water for your drink and all these things. Oh, oh. So you are walk with water upon road? Eh? When me a walk along sometime me feel thirsty. Then you know think no. Hold on there man, hold on there. Yes man, hold on there. Make a catch back in ticket so. Yes, cause since me not ready fi get up yet. Yes, make me catch it back. Alright then. Alright. Yes, Clifford. Then you ain't bring you ain't bring things for me. Eh? So Sylvester send down barrel too. Hey. So how will you carry for me? Make me see ya. What perfume? Then after me now perfume up, after me no got no way I go for perfume up. Shirt and tie for me go at church. Yes. Roland. Yes. I want cream for rub me. Lord. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You're here, Clifford. Yes, and tell Sylvester thanks too. Tell him thanks. Yes, tell him thanks. Yes, tell him thanks to me there. Me thank him. I know every day people go a foreign and come back and care things for you. So me have to thank you. Thank you. Tomorrow at church, me can wear this shirt. Go at church tomorrow. Yes. Yeah, me can wear this shirt. Go at church. It don't look bad at all. It look expensive. Yes. Yeah, when they see me come at church tomorrow in a this a shirt, yeah, they must know say somebody come from foreign. Cause they never see me in a nothing look so good yet. Yes, thank you very much. I want to just a drop out of my eye. Yes, me thank you, man. Me thank you. All right, I hope everything go well with you and him and the farm in your ear. Because me know say if I even two cabbage me will get now one lettuce because doctor said me fi eat a lot of vegetable. Yes, so me glad man. Yes, me glad. And all the cucumber and things on our plan for farm. A whole heap of things on our plan for farm doing here. Yes. Okay, okay. Now I go have pig rearing too. Yes, yes, yes. So when you have the whole all vegetable, them you just throw them guinea pig. A good matter that is a very good thing. You can't tell them you know young generation about them the things, cause they don't understand those type of things. Eh? You have to check the whole of generation them. Yes, I them know. So, all right then, Clifford. All right, all right. Yes, because you know me can't turn up too long neither, you know. So, all right. Nobody say I run you. But you know me have things to do round her back there. Me want go round there, go creep up one garden when me have round her back. Yes. So, all right, me see you when you pass again. And what you saying I go? Eh? Upper Bruce? Oh, all right then. Then as much people you walk and hiss your things too. Eh? Look on the big bag where you have over there, so. Eh? Me still thank you, though. Me still thank you. Me know why you think me not thank you for these little things where you carry for me. All right then. All right. Take care of your and heal up Sylvester for me till me see him coming when busy then now I try get things going with the farming and thing. Yes, yes. All right, take care, all right. All right. Ta-ta, 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 ta-ta. Yes, yes, yes. Peace the like. Subscribe and share. Okay, it will be appreciated. Thank you very much.